vaccine.
So, hindi kayo ng koko ko.
Habang nandito ako, set up na lang natin yung mga air purifier para pagbaba nila, mga setup na. You got this, princess! Ang vaccine.
So, hindi kayo ng koko ko.
If you were to move, saan mo gustong lumipat? North, south?
Kung south, actually, pwede kay mama. Kaso, ang layo ng Batangas eh.
How about Alabang?
Ano, papatayo ko dun? Layo. Tsaka, ay,
Malayo?
mahal. Hindi naman. Batangas, malayo.
Since medyo malaki yung space mo dito, dalawa dito daw sa baba.
Taray.
Or unless you want these two down here, and then ito, nasa room mo. So this is your new air purifier.
Wow. Thank you so much, Concept Store.
Okay, so this is the big one. You want one in your room, or you want the small one in your room?
Ikaw.
Parang big, no? Isang big, isang small dito. It will cover everything, and then we'll put one big one in your room.
Di, pwede yung, di ba, punta kayo dito bukas?
Sakay
Saka siya
pwesto?
ilagay, di ba?
This covers up to 43. This covers up to 73. So if there's two of them, kasha, cover lahat dito, di ba?
Naku, madam, kung makikinanan ko doon, dami pong ganyan ko.
Downstairs, there's 3, and then each room has 1. Even my closet has 1.
Para masarap daw yung hangin.
This is the most important thing to do. Kasi hindi ko to ginawa nung akin. Nalaman ko...
Filter?
Yes.
Ano yan? Papalitan?
No, I didn't open it when I set mine.
Oh.
So it was work. I had it on for 4 months na naka-plastic pa yung filter.
Ang galing! Pinagtitripan niya lang yung sarili niya.
Yes.
Naka-plastic.
Gawin natin. Pag-check ko, sabi ko, oh my God,
Tapos
naka-plastic.
tuwing kailan pinapalitan yung filter?
Mag-no-notif naman.
Sige, pa-check na lang pag pumunta ka.
Yes.
Tapos papalit na lang ng filter, charot. May maintenance na pala yung filter.
I'll be the maintenance.
May taga-maintenance.
Yung hangin na ini-inhale ni Katie eh. So, kailangan niya i-check.
Yes. Carbon filter.
So, yun yung mga naka-plastic na hindi niya tinanggal.
Oh yes, lahat. Ito naka-HEPA. Kahit COVID, makukuha na to. And may UV.
Perfect. Chris.
Hihigupin niya, i-filter niya, may UV light pa, antibacterial, and then bubugan niya yung clean air na. Makikita mo dito yung air particles.
Baka pwede na natin ilagay sa taas, yung maliit. No.
Gusto mo?
Para magamit na ni Katie.
She has bonding time with her TV, and she specifically told me, Papa, don't bother me. I said, okay.
Chris.
Yo!
Okay lang daw, basta wag daw kayo magsasabi ng anything. Nakatakip na siya ng kumot. Sabi niya, basta wag sila magsasabing anything. Pwede daw iakyat, basta wag daw magsasalita. Sabi niya sabi ko, akyat lang sila, hatid lang para fresh yung air na ano. Sabi niya,
Under one condition.
wag magsasalita.
Magsasalita. Let's get it ready before we go up.
Etong air purifier, nakabukas lang siya.
Bukas lang siya.
Start na siyang bukas ngayon.
Yep.
Kahit walang tao, dapat nakabukas siya.
Yep, just leave it on.
Pinapatay din siya, hindi.
Pwede. Kailangan 8 inches away from the wall. Yan.
Ano siya, nag-iba-iba siya ng speed. Auto, silent, pwede din.
1, 2, 3, and then UV. Habang nandito ako, set up na lang natin yung mga air purifier para pagbaba nila, mga setup na. You got this, princess! I think we should put the small one in the front and the big one in the back. There it goes. Tomorrow when they wake up, they're gonna have clean air. Thank you, Concept Store.